fried clams with a little bit of tartar sauce that is just fantastic. So you can see the top of the clam here. We're gonna actually cut this off. If we were doing steamers with this, they usually leave it on and then you eat it and you remove that part of the clam physically. We're gonna cut them off before we fry them because they're harder to identify. So I'm gonna come back here by the hinge and we're just gonna pull this guy right out. So I'm just going around. You can see there's your clam. Beautiful, fresh, has the liquid in there still. So we're gonna go above here with the liquid, scoop out the bottom. And then, like I said, we're gonna cut this off for this preparation. Now, for the marinade, so I have evaporated milk, a couple shakes of whatever your favorite hot sauce is. Obviously, if you don't like it hot, you could eliminate the hot sauce. A little bit of salt and pepper. You don't have to go crazy on the salt because clams are already briny. Give this a little whisk. And in go your clams with any of that liquid that is still in them. And you're just gonna let them hang and marinate here until you fry them. So that part is done. So these are just underneath, hanging out. They could hang out in there for about an hour. For your batter, corn flour, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, about a teaspoon of onion powder, salt and pepper. Whisk this together. So now our dredge for the fry is ready. So I'm gonna bring this whole game up here.
Wow, we got a whole new setup.
In this mixing bowl, this is a little cheat. You go to the grocery store, I bought pre-made horseradish sauce. There's many brands out there. Pick the one you like the best, about a cup. That is the start of this. So that goes down. To that, I'm gonna add about a couple tablespoons of fresh dill. I'm going from end to end here. We're getting the little bit of stem, cutting it very fine, and that is gonna go in. Dill and seafood to me are like peas and carrots. They're just happy together. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons of whatever your favorite sweet relish is. If you wanna use a hot relish, you could do that also. It's just kind of your choice. I'm gonna put the juice of 1 lemon. It's a little seedy, so we hold it straight up. This is a good trick too, just the power of hand. And then last but not least, we are gonna do some grated onion. Now you could do a very fine mince on the onion here, but I'm gonna use the Angel Symon, my mom trick. Whenever it said minced onion, she would take her box grater. You're done in seconds. And we just take that and we throw the onion in also. We whisk this all together now. And we have this sharp with the onion, sweet with the relish, a little bit of heat from the horseradish. All right, a couple shakes of hot sauce, depending on your level of love of spice. Now our dip is done. Now, these clams, Liz, they've been marinating in here for about a half hour, and we're just gonna put them right into that corn flour dredge.
So does the condensed milk make them tender?
It's an evaporated milk, so it kind of gives them some flavor, and it helps the corn flour stick. And I just have a neutral oil here to fry in. The fryer oil is at about 350. I'm gonna fry them until they're golden brown. They're only gonna take about a minute. And once they are ready and golden, I'm gonna bring them out on this tray, hit them with a little bit of kosher salt, and then ready to serve up. Yeah, you guys, this is a good, you heard the pop. There's a lot of liquid in clams. When you drop clams into oil, take a step back, because they will pop and you don't wanna get splattered. But look how.
Oh, that's fast.
Yeah, really fast, super golden.
Woo!
These
It's like fireworks in the pot.
I know,
It's a party in the pot. I'm gonna just finish them with a touch of salt. So these go here. All right, let's clam it.
Really good.
You know, the nice thing about when you do them this way is you fry them real quick and hot, so they're still like incredibly tender. They just have that little crust on the outside.
Yes. This tartar sauce is so good with that horseradish.